Little Chernobyl in your home, household items can be radioactive, how to protect yourself. Many objects have the ability to accumulate radiation in themselves. It is not surprising that experts advise caution with ordinary household items. Tableware under the blow, crystal. Products from it include lead, which is why it becomes dangerous. Only now he manifests himself on the negative side, not when he is gathering dust on the shelves of the sideboard, but when it is used for its intended purpose, it serves food or drinks. In addition, dishes made of clay and ceramics, if cast from yellow or orange glaze, can also be radioactive. Magazines an interesting twist, isn't it? But here the threat is not for everyone. This concerns the leash of magazines that survived their 10th anniversary. Printing ink contains kaolin, which tends to accumulate isotopes of uranium and thorium. Therefore, such collecting is dangerous. Cat litter. Some fillers are made from materials containing bentonite. This material perfectly retains moisture and fights odor, but also contains residues of uranium and thorium. Ceramic tiles, which are often used when decorating bathrooms, are also dangerous, and all this through clay. If it was mined in contaminated deposits, such clay and, accordingly, tiles carry a health hazard. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.